Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen where we make cooking fun and easy for everyone. Today we have something special for you. Today we're going to make a super yummy and healthy salad that you can whip up in no time. It's perfect for those busy days when you want something nutritious, but don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. This salad is packed with good stuff and is ready in a flash. You'll love how easy it is to prepare, and your body will thank you for all the nutrients. This broccoli and almond salad is perfect for a light lunch or a tasty side dish. It's versatile and can be paired with almost any main course. Let's get started and see how simple it is to make this delicious dish. This recipe is so easy, anyone can make it. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you'll find this salad a breeze to prepare. Plus, it's a great way to get your daily dose of vegetables. Plus, it's bursting with flavor and good-for-you ingredients. The combination of fresh vegetables and crunchy almonds creates a delightful texture and taste that will leave you wanting more. Broccoli is like a superhero for your body, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's known for its health benefits, including boosting your immune system and promoting healthy digestion. And almonds are full of healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants, making them a perfect addition to this salad. Together, they make a delicious team. The crunchiness of the almonds complements the tender broccoli perfectly, creating a salad that's not only healthy, but also incredibly satisfying. First, let's start by washing our broccoli thoroughly. It's important to clean your vegetables to remove any dirt or pesticides. Once washed, we'll chop the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Next, we'll take a handful of almonds and give them a rough chop. This will add a nice crunch to our salad. Now, let's move on to the dressing. A simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper works wonders for this salad. Drizzle the dressing over the broccoli and almonds and give it a good toss to ensure everything is well coated. Finally, transfer the salad to a serving bowl and garnish with some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, a super delicious and healthy broccoli and almond salad that's ready to be enjoyed. This salad is not only great for solo meals, but also perfect for sharing with friends and family. It's a crowd pleaser that everyone will love. So next time you're looking for a quick and healthy meal, give this broccoli and almond salad a try. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With simple recipes like this, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals every day. Thanks for joining us today, and happy cooking. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. Today we're going to make a delicious and nutritious broccoli salad that is perfect for any meal. Whether you're preparing it for a family dinner, a potluck, or just a healthy lunch, this recipe is sure to be a hit. So, let's get started by gathering everything we need. You'll need 1 large head of broccoli, 1 cup sliced almonds. Broccoli is the star of this dish, providing a crunchy texture and a wealth of nutrients. The almonds add a delightful crunch and a nutty flavor that complements the broccoli perfectly. Next, we have half a cup of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is going to give our salad a rich and creamy base. It's important to use a good quality mayonnaise to ensure the best flavor and texture. Then, we need a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. The yogurt adds a tangy flavor and a creamy consistency to the salad. It's also a healthier alternative to using all mayonnaise, as it adds some beneficial probiotics to the mix. And finally, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is best, as it adds a bright, zesty flavor that really brings the salad to life. The acidity of the lemon juice also helps to balance the richness of the mayonnaise and yogurt. See? Just a few simple things. With these basic ingredients, we can create a salad that is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. It's amazing how a few simple ingredients can come together to make something so tasty and healthy. We like to keep things easy in our kitchen. Cooking should be enjoyable and stress-free, and this recipe is a perfect example of that. With just a few steps, you'll have a wonderful dish ready to serve. These ingredients aren't just tasty, they're good for you too. Broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. Together, they make a nutritious and satisfying salad. Broccoli is full of vitamins. It's one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat, providing a range of nutrients that support overall health. It's also low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. And almonds give you energy. They are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Adding almonds to your diet can also help to improve heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Mayonnaise and yogurt make the salad creamy. The combination of these two ingredients creates a rich and smooth dressing that coats the broccoli and almonds perfectly. It's a great way to add flavor and texture to the salad without making it too heavy. While lemon juice adds a zingy twist. The acidity of the lemon juice cuts through the richness of the mayonnaise and yogurt, adding a refreshing and tangy flavor to the salad. It's the perfect finishing touch that brings all the flavors together. And there you have it. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a delicious and nutritious broccoli salad that is sure to impress. So, gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. First, wash the broccoli and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to wash your hands too. Now grab a large bowl. Toss the chopped broccoli into the bowl. We'll add the other ingredients soon. In a separate bowl, mix the mayonnaise, yogurt, and lemon juice. This is our dressing. Give it a good stir until it's nice and smooth. You can add a pinch of salt and pepper if you like. We love to add a little sprinkle of black pepper for an extra kick. Did you know broccoli is like a tiny tree? It's true. And guess what? It's packed with vitamin C, which is super important for a healthy body. Broccoli is also a good source of fiber, which helps your tummy feel full and happy. It's a win-win. Almonds are little powerhouses of energy. They're full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Plus, they add a lovely crunch to our salad. Almonds even have vitamin E, which is good for your skin. So eat your almonds and glow. Now pour the creamy dressing over the broccoli and almonds. Use a big spoon to mix everything together. Make sure all the broccoli and almonds are coated with the dressing. We like to let the salad chill in the fridge for a bit. This allows the flavors to blend and get even tastier. There you have it. After just a few simple steps, you've created a nutritious and delicious dish that is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Your very own broccoli and almond salad is ready to be devoured. This vibrant and colorful salad is not only a feast for the eyes, but also packed with nutrients that your body will thank you for. It's so easy and delicious you'll want to make it every day. The crunch of the fresh broccoli combined with the nutty flavor of the almonds creates a perfect harmony of textures and tastes. This salad is perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a healthy snack. Whether you're looking for a quick meal to take to work or a light dinner option, this salad fits the bill. It's great on its own or as a side dish with your favorite meal. Pair it with grilled chicken, fish, or even a hearty soup to make a complete and satisfying meal. The beauty of this salad lies in its simplicity. With just a handful of ingredients, fresh broccoli, crunchy almonds, and a light, tangy dressing, you can whip up a dish that is both healthy and delicious. The dressing, made with olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of honey, adds a zesty kick that perfectly complements the earthy flavors of the broccoli and almonds. This salad is not just a meal, it's an experience. Share it with family and friends, and watch as they delight in every bite. It's a great way to bring people together over a healthy and tasty dish. And the best part, this salad is incredibly versatile. Pack it in a container for a nutritious lunch on the go, or serve it as a side dish at your next dinner party. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead, give this broccoli and almond salad a try. It's a simple, delicious, and healthy option that you'll find yourself making again and again. Enjoy your healthy delight. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a fork and dig in. We hope you love this simple and healthy recipe as much as we do. Happy cooking. And don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Saeed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life.